can you tell us something about your company and what is your focus area at this event, IRE?
Sure.
Yes.
So we are part of the global giant German-based company Continental, and the division is ContiTech, where we are focusing more on the industries. So here specifically on IREE, we are looking for the railway prospects, what is developing in India now. We see that how best we can cater the requirement of the railway thing in India
All right.
and all the region, Asia Pacific. Our 150-year-old company plus years in the field, and we are the technological giant. I can say that we generally set the trend and others follow. So that's what I can say. And yes, with Continental ContiTech, we have a good experience in the railway industry side. And now that railways, in specifically Indian railways, we are promoting more, and there's a huge development happening in railway. So I think it is an apt time that we are developing and strengthening our presence in this region.